My name is Aaron Gian Tan. I am a grade 2 pupil from FEU Roosevelt Marikina City. Are you ready to learn and have fun? It's very easy. I promise. We already know the three main units of time: seconds, minutes, and hours. A second is the smallest unit of time. It's so tiny and extremely short. Do you know it only takes 1 second to blink an eye? Next, a minute is a lot bigger than a second. A minute is actually in 60 seconds. Do you know about 360 lightning strikes occur around the world in just a minute? Finally, an hour is the biggest unit of time in a day. 1 hour is 60 minutes. Do you know about 15,000 babies are born worldwide in an hour? Today, let us learn more about other units of time. Those are day, week, month, and year. Do you know that 24 hours is one full day? There is daytime and nighttime. There are 12 hours from midnight to noon, and there are 12 hours from noon to midnight. Let us make our good friend a calendar. The months of January, March, May, July, August, October, and December have 31 days, while April, June, September, and November have 30 days. Do you know the February is the special month? It has 28 days. But every 4 years have 29 days. That year is called a leap year. There are 12 months in a year. What is a week? Each week has 7 days. 7 days of a week are Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. Are 52 weeks in a year. Once again, my name is Aaron Gian Tan. Thank you so much for learning with me. It has been great time.